There's a fighter jet designed to almost disappear from radar, and it can attack targets before being detected. This aircraft is called the F-35 Lightning II. Its stealth design helps reduce radar detection from enemy systems. The pilot can see information from cameras placed all around the aircraft. The jet combines stealth, speed, and advanced targeting technology in one system. It's considered one of the most advanced fighter jets ever created. Would future air battles be fought mostly by AI and stealth technology?